What's up? It's a Canadian here at Davis AutoSports. We got the '03 Grand Cherokee over here, special edition. Check out the colors here. Fender wasn't up to the Davis AutoSports standard. We actually have that in the paint shop right now. Primer's on. We did a bunch of work to this thing. Got the rough country upgraded shocks, springs, paint's immaculate. Check it out. Look how clean this thing is. See the rough country shocks? Even got a bit of a lift on it. All brand new. Look at this thing. Doors getting rebuilt right now. Same with the fender in the paint shop. We got the super reliable 4.7 liter V8. Oil pan gasket was done. Valve cover gaskets are done. Oil change, obviously. We got the hood lift supports. Rough country shocks, springs, spacers all around. Everything upgraded. We got the adjustable front lower control arms, adjustable track bar right over here. See how clean that is? I'll show you the sides. Look at that. No rust. It's in great shape. Show you inside quick. It's a bit dirty because we undid the door. Very clean. Look at the roof. These things prone to rust right over here. It's nothing, solid. Door jambs. A bit dirty, but very clean. Doors. Keep you updated.